Howdy folks, JD here with Pinckney Custom Shop. I have another P Bass here. Seems like the P Bass videos that I post are the ones that get most of the traction. So, I mean, I do a lot of projects, I got a lot of stuff going on. But the ones that seem to be getting the most YouTube action is the P Bass videos. This one here is it's fretless, and it's pretty vintage. It's from, I'm not sure exactly. I'm going to find out exactly what year this is. I'm going to do some research. But the problem with this is it's got some buzzing going on. Pretty cool bass. It's got to be from mid-70s, late 70s. I'm not sure. I don't know if they made them with jazz bass pickups. I don't know if it's some kind of Franken bass, but the neck is definitely. Here's the buzzer. Right here right around the G. That's the word. Nosely round. Right around the money areas. So, and this one's made with that, basically it's a veneer fingerboard. So I can't do a lot of grinding, but I'm gonna start grinding on it and see how far I can get with grinding. And if I start to run out of wood, then I might go to some kind of plan B, like maybe doing some filling. We'll see where we go with this. We'll see what happens. So step one, of course, is disassembly. What I'd like to do, because you can feel the gouges in here from playing with round strings for a long time. Right here in the money area, you can clearly see gouges. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but you can really feel the gouges, so those have to come out somehow. Okay, so what I want to do is get the neck nice and straight. So what I'll do is I'll back off the truss rod until the neck straightens up. So I'm gonna run some sandpaper over it. See what I see. Definitely making some progress. See this big shiny spot here. We get the ski ramp going down here. It's not that big a deal. The problem, main problem is you still have this gouge, that one, these little gouges, and right here. Those need to come out. So got a little ways to go up here. And hopefully we can make this big shiny spot disappear as well. Probably if I didn't have such a thin piece of veneer fingerboard, I would probably be doing this on a belt sander. But I just don't have enough material to work with. If I lay this down on a belt sander, I'd probably remove the entire fingerboard in a couple of seconds. So being extra careful. It's not gumming up anymore, so I've gotten rid of the wax that was gumming up the sandpaper. I'm just using 240 grit right now. Once I get rid of all the low spots, I'll switch to a finer grit to finish it up. That is almost gone. Still a big concern right in here. Most of the main issues are already taken care of, except for that these big gouges right here. Focus on those as much as I can. I believe the main problem is done. I'll work a little bit more in this area, but I'm not really that concerned. I'm going to put more pressure down here. I'm going to call it done. I'm just going to I'm going to hand sand with a 320, and then I'll go to like a 600. I put some wax on it, oil wax. That looks smooth as a baby's butt. Curious about this. The serial number, let's see what year this bass is. Here we go, post 76. After a short period of overlap. S7 plus 5 digits, 77 to 78. Okay, so now we've determined. This is it's a 77 or 78 bass. So just gonna wipe the whole thing down. And once I get it all put together, I'll do a sound sample.